Hi, I'm Linda Mae. I am the founder and the presiding Archdruid Priestess of Druids of the Light. It's a 501c3 Druidic spiritual organization that is dedicated to anchoring the light of the heavens on Earth. We're assisting in the awakening of humanity to a higher level of consciousness, something I've been dedicated to all of my life. And part of the ways that I do it personally is I write books. This one happens to be my Druid book, Ancient Wisdom Now. And I also do spiritual counseling with people as well as intuitive soul readings using the Druid Animal Oracle. People really benefit from these readings because what I do is I help them to get in touch with their higher calling and help them to live it. I have done readings for people all over the United States, in Canada, Central and South America, as well as Europe. So if you would like to schedule something, email me or check out my website.